I wanted to take you with me to Target to see what they have new in because spring will be here before you know it. And right now at my Target, they are stuffed with swimwear. So they have two pieces, they have one pieces, they have different cuts, they have high waist, low waist, string bikinis. They have all kind of styles right now, multiple prints. They have great metallic ones that I could not wear myself personally, but I think it is real pretty and everything comes, with the matching tops. This right here I thought was cute. It gives you kind of that retro vibe with the one side out, $32, and the color blocking is cute. This is a great classic one. These ombre style ones, just so many. Just like all of the swimsuits they had in it would have took all day to go through all of the swimsuits they had, and they have so many. So if you are planning a vacation or something like that, you might want to head over to Target because right now, while it is extremely cold, no one is thinking about a swimsuit at all. But if you're going on vacation, which is coming up for my daughter right now, you might want to head over to Target and pick up one of these swimsuits, or just to get ready for the summer because you never know how long they will last. They are stuffed, and like I said, stuffed with swimsuits. So many different prints, so many different styles. The price range you can see is about the same for each top and each bottom, only like a couple dollar, variance from the tops and the bottoms. So this is how much you'll be able to pick them up for. Cover ups. I love a good cover up. So they have cute little cover up dresses. They have them in different colors. They have pants in these great like tropical prints. They have skirts. And of course, all of the sizes are going to range from small or extra small to most of them up to a 4X in the swimsuits and in the cover-ups. This cover-up right here I thought was especially cute for $28, and it's just a cute little dress that you can wear, and it's lightweight, so that would be great, especially for cruises and things like that. Just so many nice bold prints, bold colors. So you might want to head over to Target and pick up those. This I thought was real pretty. It looked like a little corset top, but it's a swimsuit, so it doesn't have, the lacing up in the back, but it has the boning like detail in the front, which I thought was so pretty. Ruffle details, vintage style ones, just so many cute little cutouts, just so many different little things that you can pick from right now at Target for swimsuits. Like I said, if you're planning a vacation, if you want to get a jump for the summer, you might want to head over to Target and pick some of those. And then they have what we're calling the Valentines collection. So they have matching pajama sets, so men, women, kids, these cute little clothing items. So they'll have them in kid sizes and then they'll have them in adult sizes. So this one was the kid size, and it had the embroidery style patchwork on the back, which I thought was just nice and cute. And then you can get it also in the adult size for not too much more. They didn't have too many adult ones left at my Target, but if you're able to find them, you're able to find them. And that is great because you can really wear these all year. These cute little, just simple tops with a little heart detail, and you can see it's paired nice with a pair of jeans. They come in different colors, so you'll be able to get different colors. This cardigan I thought was so cute because I love a great cardigan. So they had that too in adult and in children sizes, and of course they have all of this stuff up into the plus sizes most of the time around, like I said, into a 4X, and then they have it for basically newborns up. So all of the prints, at least most from what I saw, are available for the children, from infants to toddlers to school-age children up to adults. So you can have a whole little cute matching set and just get you some cute little outfits. And then, cardigans, sweaters, sweatshirts. You can see again from little kids to like infants to bigger kids, and then they have the adult sizes, and they're just a few dollars difference. This I thought was cute because you see the cardigan for the adults, the cardigan for the kids, and then this set for an infant. I think that would be such a cute look together, the way the black and white pairs off each other, I thought was cute. And then you can throw in the shirt for dad. So they had men's sizes, women's sizes, just so many different items. These prints right here, these are going to be sleepwear. They have the cardigan in pink. I didn't see it at my Target, but you can see it there on the poster. Um, These were marked sleepwear, but I thought that was an outside shirt. They have the two-piece pajama sets, $25. They have bottoms, they had the tops, just so many picks right now. And like I said, it was like a whole little section, kind of like a Valentine's love style section. And I just thought they all were cute, especially the little tiny ones. I wish I had someone tiny to pick these up for, because they were just so they were just so cute. So if you are going to be doing little matching outfits, or even if you're not going to be doing matching outfits, these are just really cute pieces. Like Love Always, you can really wear that all year. The simple little heart, it doesn't yell too much Valentine's, and then you can also match with your pup. So they only had the ones for the big dogs left. I do have a smaller dog, but they do have them for your pup too. So you can match with them between like $15 and $10, which I thought was adorable. More cute little swimsuits. All right, so this one I thought was cute just because of the crochet style. I love a good like knit looking like swimsuit. $24 for the top, and then the bottom there to match with it. They even had swim shorts. I didn't see too many men in this section, but that was one. This right here, I just thought was, cute and dainty. So you have the little sleeves, you have the floral print, and then it laces up in the back, which I thought was cute. And then of course you can get the matching bottoms to go with that. And they kind of have like a high waist to those that I thought was cute. Paisley prints, just so many swimsuits they had. And these pants I thought were cute. They were on clearance, so they were $25 at my Target. So that's like over $10 savings. They have plenty of jeans at Target though, always. These I just thought were nice, simple pieces that you can pair with, and they have a good weight to them. So they had them in different colors. They had shirt dresses, so you'll be able to get them, in a regular shirt, a regular button-up shirt dress style, the same one, kind of a crop look. I loved all the colors in those, and those would just pair good with a pair of jeans, a skirt, just so many different things. Those right there. Like I said, they had those in so many different colors. You can get the shirt dress again in white, so you get different colors for all of these options. So you might want to pick up those, because those are good staples. And then this collection right here, so we know that it is Black History Month, and Target has just been putting out more stuff with diverse designers throughout the year. But this is the selection that they had right now. So they had the sweatsuits, and again, these pieces are going to be able to be in adults and in children. So you'll be able to match, mix and match different things. And they have the designers featured on the tags, so you'll know which collection is which and who is from whom. Just a lot of bold prints and bold colors. So especially if you're into colors and different things like that, you might want to pick those up. And again, they're going to be from children's to adults, so you'll be able to mix and match. And the limitless ones were cute. I just like the way the wording was on those, and again, the bold prints. So they had the sweatsuits, they had the jackets, they have these cute little sweatsuits right here. I didn't see them in the adult size for these though. I just saw them in the children's, but I thought they were cute and bold. And if you are a smaller woman, you can just really get this in a large child size, and you can wear that and it'll fit just fine. But these would be great too for spring. For now, they would work too, but especially for spring with the bright colors and stuff like that, you might want to grab those. Just so many different prints, and you can see up to the little ones. So you'll be able to get a lot of pics from these. You can see the sweatshirts and hats. So they had accessories. They have everything. So they had accessories. They had clothing. They just so many different things. These shoes I thought were so cute, just the colors. So they're kind of like a platform, like a thin platform type shoe. And then they had them in the shiny material, and they had just a lot of colors. Slides, because it will be warm soon. It is not warm now where I live, but it will be warm soon. So they have a ton of slides right now, about $15 for those, in different prints, solid colors. Sandals, my Target was putting out so many sandals. These give you kind of that retro style for $40. So these are kind of like, the designer type look, but without that price. Wedges around the same price, around $40. So many different colors, so many different picks. So you might want to head over to Target and pick up some of those. More from the other collection. They had some really great pieces, again with the bold colors. I wish I can wear an open back dress because this was super cute. This right here, I was in love with it online. It did it. Um, I didn't like it that much online, but when I saw it in person, I was like, "Oh, okay, I really like that." It gave me like a designer look but at a budget. It gave you that, that high-end trench coat look, but with all these great details, and then cropped, the nice bold color, just so great. I thought that was great. This structured jacket right here, so it has that thick material, and then again the bold print. So really, a lot of these were sets. Like this was a two-piece set, so you can buy the top and the bottom. I would wear them separately, um, because it is a lot going on. If you put it together, you can, if you're able to pull off those bold looks. But I would pair these separately with different items, and then you'll be able to get two more wear out of them because you can wear them together, you can wear them separate. But it had that crinkly pleat detail in both the top and the bottom. This right here gave me such a retro vibe. It's got a sheer kind of mesh, and then it has the dress underneath. It was long, it had the long sleeves. I just thought that was real pretty and bold. And again, it gave me that retro style look with the colors and the print. This right here, you can pair it with the skirt there, or again, you can pair it by itself and break up the looks. This right here, when I saw it online, again, they placed all three pieces together. I really thought this would just be a cute shirt dress. It is nice with the satin style material, the little details on the sleeves. Or you can break it up again and have it open like they did online, and then pair it with something else underneath, and then pair the other pieces with you can wear it as a two-piece set or something else, or you can wear all three of them together if you want. But they had this, they have the pants that go with it, and then that long top, which again I thought was a shirt dress. But I love a good pair of wide leg pants, so those were really cute. More great prints. This is kids, but I do think they had this too in the adult size, and it's just a cute little hooded jacket. Home accessories, so they had these great little pillows right here, and just the colors on them were just cute, just to have this, on your bed or something like that. And they were $25 for these, which I thought was cute. And then home accessories, I didn't find a price on the blanket when I was looking, but that is just a nice throw blanket. Vases, mirrors, just so many things in this collection. They had it packed in for just that small little section there, which I thought was great. These, in love with these. Okay, so they have the fringe jacket, $45, and it came like in this off-white, and I just love the details in this. And then they had it also in black, so you can grab both or you can grab just one. But I thought that was cute. They had these cute little skirts right here. So it's like a cargo style mini skirt, had the little elastic in the back for $20. These dresses I thought were so pretty and so girly. So they had one in black, and then they had one in this like peaches pink, different type fabrics. So you can see the details in the black and details in the pink one are different, but they are the same price. And they just gave you just the cutest little look. And you can pair those with a jacket or something. Cute little layered crop tops I thought were cute. This one with this great print right here, which I thought was just screaming spring. And if you don't like that, you can get it in a solid color because they did have it in the black. This right here, another shirt that just screamed girly. So it is strapless, but then with the little sleeves and the details in the back. So they had it in that white, they had it in brown, and then they also had it in that nice print right there. This right here, another giving me a retro vibe. Just Target right now is packed with so many great things for spring, going into summer, great for vacations. So you might want to head over to Target and check out some of the new items that they have in.